Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Premarin vaginal cream. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Pfizer, Ltd. Premarin vaginal cream. Uses. Premarin vaginal cream is used as part of hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, to relieve symptoms of menopause, such as hot flushes, vaginal dryness, and reduced sex drive. Benefits. This cream plays a major role in improving quality of life during menopause. It provides relief from discomfort, enhances mood, and restores vaginal health. Vaginal creams like Premarin deliver estrogen locally, which can ease symptoms more directly. Side effects. Some women may experience side effects such as headache, breast pain, bloating, or irregular vaginal bleeding. There may also be reactions at the site of application like burning, itching, or redness. Always consult your doctor if symptoms become persistent or bothersome. How to use. Premarin vaginal cream is for external use only. Use it exactly as directed by your doctor. Before applying, clean and dry the area. Apply the cream using the provided applicator and wash your hands after use. How it works. Premarin is a mixture of estrogens, female sex hormones. It helps maintain estrogen levels in menopausal women, prevents thinning and dryness of the vaginal wall, and reduces inflammation to restore comfort.